I am Dr. Joseph Ngonzi. I'm a holder of a bachelor's degree of medicine and surgery from Bara University, a master's degree of medicine in obstetrics and gynecology from Bara University. I am a PhD holder in medical sciences from the University of Antwerp in Belgium. I am also a fellow of the East Central and Southern Africa College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists. I want to extend my gratitude to everyone who has supported my candidature for the service position of Dean of Faculty of Medicine at MUST. I walked into this university as a young medical student more than 20 years ago. 5 years after, I became a medical doctor, and I remained in the same university where I pursued a master's degree. As a student, I became a guild president. As a young professional, I became a lecturer in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, and I've risen through the ranks, not just as a lecturer. I later became a senior lecturer about 8 years ago, and I became a head of department, actually the pioneer alumnus head of department of obstetrics and gynecology. 4 years ago, I was voted into office as a deputy dean, which position I've proudly served you. And it's at this moment when the doors opened for the position of dean, I gladly submitted my candidature to serve you at yet another level. I have many things in the offing, and I believe that together we'll be able to achieve a lot. I believe in inclusive leadership, respectful engagement with colleagues. I believe in supporting younger and older colleagues in helping them to achieve their dreams. As a Dean of Faculty of Medicine, I have many things at the center of my focus. I have a dream of improving the teaching and learning within the faculty by constructively engaging the different stakeholders to ensure that, number one, a home for the founding faculty at MUST is realized. Number two, to ensure that I advocate for increased recruitment and the promotion of both academic, technical, and support staff. Number three, advocating for accreditation of laboratories in the faculty and supporting, very importantly, the improvement of the animal house to regional and international standards so that the faculty becomes a center in this particular area. I plan to engage the hospital continually to make sure that the training ground for our students is well supported. And I plan to continue engaging with the relevant authorities to realize the reorganization of the faculty into 4 schools, which will later birth a College of Health Sciences at MUST. I have a dream of contributing and supporting research and innovation in the faculty. The resources that the faculty receives, however minimal they may be, we plan to establish a faculty research fund. We also plan to spearhead the formation and mentorship of multidisciplinary research teams and offer them pilot funds. We are planning to put in place a mentorship program for upcoming academicians and researchers, and to partner with the collaborators both within MUST, within the country, and also from without. We have got a great strategy of supporting the clinical area. As a clinician myself, I walk into that hospital almost every day, to offer clinical care and work with my colleagues in teams. I've experienced first-hand challenges that clinicians face. I'm a very passionate crusader of the need for continued support for this particular category of people, and especially around about this time when our country and the globe has been ravaged by the monstrous COVID-19. We will support their social and psychological component so that they are able to offer clinical care that optimizes clinical outcomes. We have a plan for the students, both clinical and non-clinical postgraduate students. We know that these are the foot soldiers and pillars of our current healthcare system. Their welfare, safety, and academic needs will continue to be a top priority. Mbarara University was formed on a flagship philosophy of community service. The faculty has always supported community programs. We shall continue to engage in activities that benefit the community, such as open days, free medical and surgical camps, community placements. We will support initiatives that contribute to this founding philosophy. I ask you for your vote to make me, working together with you, realize the above mentioned plans and many more that will come from you as we move this journey together for the next 4 years. Voting is on tomorrow, starting from 8:30 to 12:30 p.m. I encourage you to come with your identity card. For those who are voting online, vote Dr. Joseph Ngonzi for the many things that he has in plan for you and also the faculty. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.